Hello, okay, so sorry I've been gone for so long. I just have been, life be like that sometimes. But I'm back with another cosplay video, like a makeup video, so slay. So I am going to be doing makeup for Ellie from The Last of Us. If you want to see how I did the more crafty things, so like how I did the shirt and made it look the way it did, and like, the wig, then I will put the link to the TikTok I made documenting the progress. But yeah, this is going to be the more makeup side of it, so just to get that out of the way. I literally do not know how to act in videos anymore, so apologies if I'm like all over the place. Yeah.